Hello everyone, welcome to the channel that brings the charm of Japan to people around the world. Today, we're introducing Japan's unique and diverse vending machines. When you visit Japan, you're sure to spot these vending machines somewhere. You'll be amazed by the wide variety and the convenience and fun they offer. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Japanese vending machines. 1. Types and diversity of vending machines in Japan. Rare worldwide. The diverse types of vending machines in Japan. In Japan, you'll find a wide range of vending machines that you wouldn't typically see in other countries. These machines don't just offer drinks but also provide food, miscellaneous goods, and even clothing and toys across various genres. The reason behind this diversity is that Japan highly values the convenience of getting what you want, anytime, anywhere. Especially in urban areas, where people live busy lives. The ability to quickly purchase items is essential. In rural areas, vending machines are also useful in areas with few stores. Additionally, for foreign tourists, vending machines around Japanese cities are convenient and offer them a new and enjoyable experience. For example, some vending machines at stations and airports contain pamphlets with tourist information. And in winter, they offer hot drinks, while in summer, you'll find cold drinks a thoughtful touch. Japan's unique sense of hospitality is even reflected in its vending machines. Vending machines for hot and cold beverages, food, ice cream, and more. You can buy almost anything. Japanese vending machines offer an incredible variety of items, not just limited to beverages. You can easily purchase hot soup, coffee, cold juice, cup noodles, bread, bento boxes, and even ice cream. One characteristic of Japanese vending machines is their seasonal product lineup. For example, during winter, you'll find hot cocoa and warm soups, while summer brings cold sports drinks and smoothies. The items are seasonally appropriate, and quality control is strictly managed to ensure products are always fresh. Tourists can enjoy a fun and fresh experience, no matter the season. There are also many limited edition products available only in certain regions. For instance, vending machines at tourist spots might offer local specialties, making them perfect souvenirs. You'll also find limited flavors of ice cream and juices that are unique to the area, adding a special touch to your travels. Local specialty products exclusive to bullet train stations and tourist spots. Finally, at Japanese tourist spots and bullet train stations, you'll often find local specialty products available exclusively through vending machines. This system allows travelers to easily enjoy local specialties and gourmet items, making it very appealing. For instance, at bullet train stations, you might find a lineup of juices or snacks unique to that region, while at tourist spots, there could be ice cream or drinks made with local specialties. Some exclusive items include apple juice vending machines at stations in the Tohoku region, or takoyaki-flavored snacks in Kansai products you can only experience in those specific areas. Next, we'll delve deeper into why Japanese vending machines are so loved, exploring their charm and the technologies used in them. 2. Reasons why Japanese vending machines are loved. Convenience and speed, accessible anytime, anywhere. One major reason Japanese vending machines are so loved is their convenience and speed. As you walk through Japanese cities, you'll find vending machines almost everywhere, allowing you to quickly get what you need at any time. This is particularly useful when you're in a hurry or late at night. For example, even after work when stores have closed, vending machines are available 24 hours. For tourists, vending machines are also a huge help. Japan has a highly developed public transportation system, and vending machines can be found around train stations and bus stops almost without fail. Being able to easily buy a drink during transfers or waiting periods is a convenient and appealing aspect for many tourists. For example, on a hot summer day, it's incredibly refreshing to be able to grab a cold drink right away. In winter, the ability to instantly get a hot coffee or tea is a unique service Japan offers. There are plenty of vending machines at tourist sites too, so if you need hydration while sightseeing, you can easily find it. This kind of smooth accessibility in various daily scenarios is one reason why Japanese vending machines are so beloved. Reliable quality control and hygiene, safe to use anytime. 247. Another reason for the high popularity of Japanese vending machines is the meticulous hygiene and quality control. Japanese vending machines are carefully temperature controlled to preserve food quality, adapting to both summer heat and winter cold. This allows consumers to enjoy fresh products regardless of the season. Frequent restocking and cleaning of food and drink vending machines ensure a clean and safe environment at all times. For tourists, being able to make purchases safely despite language barriers is a major advantage. Particularly with food vending machines, information like expiration dates and production dates is clearly displayed, which enhances trust in the product quality. For example, when you buy a canned coffee from a vending machine in winter, it remains warm, thanks to precise temperature control. Many Japanese vending machines have both hot and cold functions, so you can always enjoy cold drinks in summer and warm drinks in winter at the right temperature. This attention to quality control and hygiene builds trust in Japanese vending machines, making them popular not only in daily life but also among tourists. Points popular among tourists: unique and limited edition items. Japanese vending machines often feature unique products and region-exclusive items that are not found in other countries, creating a special experience for tourists. In addition to regular beverages and snacks, you can purchase a wide range of items, including souvenirs, capsule toys, and even local specialties, from vending machines. Vending machines in tourist areas often sell exclusive, region-specific items that you can only find there, enhancing their value as souvenirs for tourists. For instance, in Kyoto, you might find matcha-flavored drinks or snacks, while in Hokkaido, lavender or melon-flavored products may be available in vending machines. These region-specific items not only add to the enjoyment of visiting a location, but also offer an opportunity to experience Japan's culture and regional diversity. Foreign tourists, in particular, enjoy vending machines that sell character or anime-related items. Capsule toy vending machines offer tourists a uniquely Japanese form of entertainment and a chance to engage with Japanese pop culture. In this way, Japanese vending machines go beyond being simple dispensers and become part of the sightseeing experience, sparking interest in many tourists. Next, let's introduce Japan's uniquely innovative vending machines. 3. Japan's unique vending machines. It's like a restaurant? Vending machines selling ramen and sushi. One distinctive feature of Japanese vending machines, which sets them apart from those in other countries, is that they offer hot ramen and fresh sushi. This is made possible because vending machines in Japan play a role in providing meals. Unlike vending machines in many countries, which mainly dispense drinks and snacks, Japanese vending machines also serve the purpose of providing meals. For example, ramen vending machines offer piping hot soup and noodles together, with a dedicated cup and chopsticks, allowing people to enjoy authentic ramen conveniently while on the go. Sushi vending machines use fresh ingredients and are equipped with cooling systems, ensuring safe and reliable purchases anytime. In this way, Japanese vending machines have developed beyond just snacks and drinks. They are unique machines that provide warm meals and fresh ingredients. This is a cultural aspect unique to Japan that fascinates and interests international visitors. From capsule toys to souvenirs, unique vending machines that delight tourists. Next up are vending machines commonly found in tourist areas that sell capsule toys and souvenirs. These machines are popular among tourists as a convenient way to take home memories from their trip. Some machines even offer character goods popular in Japan and limited seasonal items, appealing to a broad audience, from children to adults. For example, tourist spots in Tokyo and Osaka feature capsule vending machines containing local specialty products or region-specific toy designs. Additionally, at shrines and temples, there are vending machines selling omamori Japanese charms, making it easy for visitors to take home souvenirs. These unique vending machines are an essential element for creating travel memories and add even more enjoyment to sightseeing. These tourist-friendly vending machines symbolize the diversity of Japanese vending machine culture. With exciting products that attract attention simply by being there, many foreign tourists show interest, and these machines often become popular on social media. Top 5 unique vending machines that surprise foreigners. Now, let's introduce 5 unique vending machines that particularly astonish foreign visitors. These machines are rare even within Japan, offering a special experience just by visiting them. 1. Umbrella vending machine. Stay dry even in unexpected rain. Umbrella vending machines are a practical solution suited to Japan's rainy climate. Commonly located at station entrances and shopping centers, they are highly praised by foreign tourists who find themselves caught in sudden showers. 2. Light bulb vending machine. Vending machines selling light bulbs are also a unique idea found in Japan. In households filled with electrical appliances, these machines are helpful for immediately addressing a sudden light bulb outage. 3. Insect vending machine. A particularly eye-catching machine due to its uniqueness, the insect vending machine is primarily installed for educational purposes. Though some people purchase insects out of curiosity, foreign visitors are often amazed, and this machine serves as a symbol of Japan's diverse vending machine culture. 4. Fresh vegetable vending machine. There are also vending machines where fresh vegetables can be purchased. This system allows farmers to sell their produce directly, enabling customers to buy locally grown, fresh vegetables. It's seen as an eco-friendly and sustainable lifestyle choice, garnering attention as a step towards a greener future. 5. Canned bread vending machine. Canned bread vending machines, useful in emergencies, also sell preserved bread. This machine serves not only for emergency preparedness but also provides a balanced meal option, which foreign visitors regard as a testament to Japan's unique disaster preparedness mindset. Japanese vending machines are loved not only for their convenience but also for the surprise and enjoyment they bring. Next, let's look at the future technology of Japanese vending machines. 4. Future vending machine technology in Japan. Enhanced with eye purchase experience through facial recognition and voice recognition. First, as a symbol of the future of Japan's vending machines, AI-powered vending machines are drawing significant attention. With the latest vending machines, users can enjoy a smoother purchasing experience beyond traditional touch panels and cash operations. Thanks to facial recognition and voice recognition technology. Through advancements in these technologies, users can operate vending machines without touch, which is especially convenient when their hands are full or in situations where contactless interaction is preferred. Additionally, by recognizing the user's face, AI can offer personalized product recommendations. For instance, based on past purchase history or seasonal products. It evolves the experience from merely buying a product from a vending machine to quickly obtaining something tailored just for you. Furthermore, the use of voice recognition technology makes it easier for foreign tourists to operate the machines without worrying about language barriers. By supporting multiple languages, such as English and Chinese, this reduces one hurdle in Japanese tourism, allowing visitors to enjoy their experiences more comfortably. In this way, AI-powered vending machines are evolving from mere purchasing tools to tools that offer individualized experiences and futuristic hospitality to each user. Eco-friendly vending machines, energy-saving models and recycling functions. Next, one of the main themes of future vending machines is an emphasis on environmental consciousness. As environmental awareness grows in Japan, various manufacturers are focusing on developing energy-saving models and vending machines with recycling functions. Specifically, thanks to energy-saving technology, models have been introduced that improve cooling and heating efficiency, significantly reducing power consumption to less than half of previous models. More vending machines are now equipped with solar panels, storing energy during the day and using it at night, contributing to reduced power consumption. Additionally, eco-friendly vending machines incorporate recycling functions, allowing users to return empty cans and plastic bottles to the machine for recycling processing. This recycling feature helps reduce waste and promotes resource reuse. Moreover, this system provides a convenient environment for recycling at tourist sites, enhancing awareness of participation in environmental protection efforts. Eco-friendly vending machines symbolize Japan's commitment to a sustainable society and are well received as part of Japan's hospitality by tourists. Experience future vending machines, a chance to engage with cutting-edge technology. Finally, there are increasing spots where people can experience Japan's cutting-edge vending machine technology firsthand. For example, major cities like Tokyo and Osaka feature next-generation vending machine experience zones, allowing tourists and locals alike to directly engage with new experiences. At these interactive spots, visitors can try eye-powered facial recognition and voice recognition functions, witnessing a smart purchasing experience firsthand. Additionally, the energy-saving and recycling functions are presented with easy-to-understand designs and explanations, making it clear how the technology benefits real life. In these areas, many people take commemorative photos of the future vending machines or share their experiences on social media, both as a testament to Japan's technological prowess and as a memorable part of their visit. These spots are gaining attention as new tourist attractions where technology and hospitality intersect, adding a new allure to tourism. With such technological advancements, Japan's vending machines will continue to evolve, becoming even more appealing to users. Next, let's look at tips for enjoying vending machines at tourist spots. 5. Tips for enjoying vending machines at tourist spots. By tourist spot, local drinks and food you can get from vending machines. In various tourist destinations across Japan, you'll find vending machines offering unique local drinks and food items that you can't get anywhere else. These vending machines provide products exclusive to each area, making them an enjoyable part of your travel experience. For example, in Kyoto, vending machines offer matcha drinks and chilled beverages based on Japanese tea, allowing you to enjoy a traditional Japanese feel. If you go to Hokkaido, you can find vending machines that serve creamy drinks made from local dairy products. In Okinawa, vending machines offer shikwasa juice and foods that reflect Okinawan culinary culture. These local vending machines allow tourists to experience the taste of the area in a quick and accessible way. By trying out these regional drinks and foods, you can enjoy a deeper travel experience, creating unforgettable memories. Finding vending machine exclusive souvenirs and gachapon capsule toys. Did you know that many Japanese tourist spots have vending machines that sell exclusive souvenirs and gachapon? These vending machines offer unique products and items that can only be found there. For example, at famous Tokyo landmarks like Tokyo Skytree or Sensoji Temple, you may find gachapon filled with character goods and miniature figurines exclusive to those tourist spots. These gachapon items are often designed to reflect the landmarks, making them popular as souvenirs that commemorate your visit. In historical towns like Kamakura or Nara, you can find items featuring local symbols or objects inspired by temples and shrines. When visiting a tourist destination, be sure to check out these vending machines and gachapon. These exclusive items make for unique experiences and memorable souvenirs, adding a colorful touch to your travel memories. Creating memories with vending machines. Photography and sharing on social media. Lastly, here's a way to make memories using vending machines at tourist spots. Vending machines with unique designs or local specialty items make great photo spots as well. For example, a vending machine installed with a view of Mt. Fuji, or special edition machines decorated with anime characters, can provide an impressive background for photos that are perfect for social media. Taking pictures with the local drinks or food items you've purchased from vending machines also allows you to share the atmosphere and flavors of the place on social media. These posts are effective in sharing the charm of the tourist spot with others, and can serve as a way to introduce Japanese unique experiences to international friends. Many people are interested in Japan's vending machine culture, so your posts are likely to get plenty of reactions, helping you capture and cherish your travel memories. How was that? We've introduced some tips on enjoying vending machines at Japanese tourist spots. Experiencing Japan's unique vending machine culture adds even more fun to your journey. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. We'll continue to bring you more of Japan's charm, so stay tuned.